Okay, no fancy intro today, straight into it. Here are 5 new features I just noticed in Pipedrive recently over the last couple of weeks or so. The first one is you can now bulk create activities from any list view in Pipedrive. This is great. So for example, I'm here in the deal list view. I could also be on the contacts person page, for example, and I can select any number of deals here. And then you'll notice at the top, there is a new schedule activities button. I can click this and I can bulk create follow-up activities for all of these deals at once. And because I don't want to do them all on the same day, I even have the option to space them out. So if I select a couple more there we go. You'll see I can schedule 5 or 10 per day. This is great because before this feature, we had to bulk create activities using a spreadsheet. This is now allowing us to do that a lot quicker. Number 2 is you can now automatically log emails as activities. This is really good for reporting. So when I'm composing an email here, down the bottom, you'll see this button, which I can turn on, and it stays turned on from now on to automatically log outgoing emails as activities. The subject of the activity will go into the activity title, and this is going to make my reporting more accurate. Where before, if I run an activity report to see how many calls and things I've done, I would also have to log an activity to see the emails separately, and that would have to be manual. Now, if I compose and send an email, that email activity is automatically logged, giving me a better idea of what activities I'm completing every month. Number 3 is you can now revert bulk changes. This is a really good one because before, if you made a mistake, if you deleted a field or bulk updated a custom field, you would have to essentially contact Pipedrive support to undo that change. Now, if you come to Tools and Apps here and then to Restore Data, you can restore any fields or bulk deletions that you've done or revert any bulk changes. So you'll see a list of all your changes here. You can filter the list if you want to filter by the type of change that you've made. And then once you identify it, you can click the button on the right-hand side to restore the data to the state the account was in before that change. So it makes undoing mistakes very quick and easy now. Number 4 is there is a new tasks trigger in automation. So if I create an automation now, go to my event triggers, you've seen the normal event triggers, activities, deals, person. Now we have task triggers. This is relevant to anyone using projects which contain tasks. So for example, if I add a task or update and complete a task, I could run an automation. I could do something like move the project to the next phase, or I could send an automated email update to the customer. So really nice having that option now. And number 5 is you can automatically add email recipients as deal participants. So let's say I'm composing a message here and I type in the name of somebody else to add them to this conversation. You'll see a little button, little person icon. I can now add this person as a deal participant, so they are connected connected to the deal on an ongoing basis. And so I don't have to take that extra step to manually add them. So those were 5 quick updates. If I missed anything else or anything new that you've noticed, leave me a comment down below.